Next, around all of the lemongrass. This is the part of the lemongrass we're using for cooking, guys. Yeah, not this one. And how are we using that? Roast it first. And then tie in the knot. We are making it like this. If you are like using this for the soup or curry, eat it out when everything is cooked. Next, we got this is, we call it Indonesian Bali. Smell betul lemony. Not as strong like your bay leaf at home. Please, you're not using your bay leaf instead because they are too strong in flavor. Yes. If you can't get the Indonesian bay leaf, can be replaced with kaffir lime leaf. So this is kaffir lime, guys. So how do you know that? Double leaf. And this double lime are using a lot in Southeast Asian cooking, like Thai green curry, tom yum soup, even Balinese curry, peanut sauce, like everything. In Bali, lime flavor is this. Kaffir lime. So lemongrass, Indonesian bay leaf, and kaffir lime leaf, we're always using that in cooking together. We call it three aromatic flavor. This is a bit lime, guys. This lime, we call it calamansi. Calamandin. The flavor of this lime, guys, goes between lime and orange. Yeah, in Singapore, they will call it like buah keras. That's yeah. Here they get cumin seed, cinnamon. Yeah. Here they get the Thai or apple eggplant. Yeah, this one. And then over here they get purple origin eggplant. And this one, American called chayote, Australian called choco, Spain, Brazil called zuzu. And they have different name in different countries. Okay. Well, I think that's all in here, guys. Now we're going to different spot. We're going to set different things also. Yeah? For the cooking process, and just to let you know what you having in the little bowl, that sticky rice dumpling are made from sticky rice flour with tapioca flour and make it like a little bowl, cooked in palm sugar syrups and struck with running coconut and coconut creams. That's it. Yeah, for something sweet. Okay, is someone not? Anti-clock. Why? Because this one first and this always second, one of this last. Why? When you chop this first, your hand look like this color for 1 week. Yeah? And if you chop chili first and forget the hand and touch your nose, your eyes, going to the toilet, that's not good. Okay, so that last and wash your hand. Chop, then we are grinding up in the morning and press until the paste. After paste, we're going to cook it first. After they cook well, and after cook well, the haste today we're using for the fish satay. What kind of fish we got today? Mahi. We blend that fish, mince up, and with this spice later in that, add some coconut, salt and pepper, and after that wrap on flat bamboo skewer or wrap on lemongrass. Yeah. Okay. Then this not only using for satay, guys, also beautiful on any seafood recipe. Like it for seafood curry, butterfly fish, prawn calamari. Please, if you do fishing and develop fish, prepare this file. Macadamia, cashew, almond. In Hawaii, they call this kukui. Yeah, kukui nut. That's called in Hawaii. Yeah? The best is macadamia, cashew, Brazil nut, or raw peanut without skin instead of this. But if someone from Australia, don't worry, easy to get candle down there. You know why? Because the Aborigine using for candlelight that we call candle nut because.